Hey, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the Pittsburgh Automotive 3-piece socket rail set. It's sort of emulated after the Craftsman design. Craftsmans don't flex though. Just little plastic clips with a ball bearing that slide up and down the rail. So we got 1/4 inch, 3/8, and a 1/2 inch. I need to organize some stuff into my toolbox, so let me get those off the top of the toolbox, get that opened up. And also for grins and giggles, for $3, I bought this 3/8 inch drive, 10mm Pittsburgh Pro socket. I'm always missing a 10mm 6-point when it comes to bleeding the brakes. I don't know if I trust this thing all entirely, but for $3, we'll give it a try. Here is a Craftsman tool rail. You can see that it emulates. Substantially thicker. Well, it does bend a little bit, but I need another 3/8. So my idea was, if I steal one or two off that cheap set, put it onto here to get all my sockets. There's another one I need to put on here. Back onto here. And somehow I'm missing a 10mm, but have 2 11s. Yeah. There we go. I just slid that off the cheap Harbor Freight one. Slid it onto that. It's a little cockeyed, so the dimensions are off a little bit, but should work for my needs. Okay, so I slid another one off the Harbor Freight, put it on a Craftsman, so I got 9. Blank where 10 should be 11, all the way up to, I believe, 18, 19mm, something like that. It may be out of order, but anyways. That's going to work. So let me get organizing the other ones. And my idea is, where did they go? My 1/2 inch or 3/8 adapter, things like that, are going to go on a special rail as well. Can you see the rail bending? But that's okay. Never going to be lifted out of the toolbox more than this. So I always got my impact ball joints, impact adapter, bunch of sockets, another impact socket, a couple of 1/2 inch or 3/8 adapters, then a 3/8 inch ball impact swivel. So that'll go somewhere down in there. Now to do some more organizing. I got the 3/8 rail started over here. Got a couple different adapters on it, and we'll fill that up. Not sure what I'm going to do with the 1/4 inch one. Guess I could put my 1/4 inch deep well set in here, but it works so fine in this little gray case that it came in. I've never really taken it out of there. It just works so perfect. You know, Harbor Freight tools aren't the greatest, but we go to pull the plug out of the bottom of the socket and the plastic breaks off. It's nothing worse. Now I got to fight to get this friggin' thing out. Idea is maybe a Allen key, drive it up through and pop that thing out.